case y'all couldn't tell from the intro, picked up a new car. No longer some 240. Trying to figure out a name change, but picked up this beauty. It's 2019 M550. It's a twin turbo V8. This was like the next best thing. Dream car has always been an M5, but this was definitely the next best thing to it, at least for now. Might end up upgrading eventually, but for now, nah. For now, this is it, man. This is the 19 M550. I'm about to show y'all around. Show y'all why I picked this car. I'll tell y'all why I picked it. Give you guys a little POV drive. Let's tell you all about it. All right, so first things first. Obviously, I needed more size. I needed more space. This is a big difference from coming from the 2 Series, big old 5 Series, but let me show y'all. The interior is, I don't even know, this is called like Tartufo brown. It's like, never seen a color like this on the interior, but man, it goes perfectly with the black. Just wait until I show y'all the lighting. The lighting is crazy. I can change all those colors. Got the massaging seats, heated and ventilated seats. This car is like a night and day difference. In terms of luxury and just the engine, everything, performance, night and day difference. Don't get me wrong, that B58 is, it's a beauty. That B58 is nice, but man, this twin turbo M8, or not M8, V8, damn. Yeah, this car is fully spec'd out, man. I don't know what packages this car doesn't have. I haven't been able to find the sticker price yet to see what add-ons and everything, but the trunk self-opening. I don't know if this is regular for a 5 Series, but damn. I was very stuck between this, the M550, and the 540, just because I was already familiar with the B58 and the 540, but this one, this M550 had like the price on it. I could not pass it up. It was cheaper than the 540 I was looking at with similar miles. So I was like, nah, I had to hop on it, man. Had to hop on it. I already had a couple carbon fiber pieces added to it. Might have to change this out though. It's got a bunch of rock chips. Thinking about taking that off, putting a whole front splitter there, putting a spoiler on. Because it came with, I think this is an M Performance spoiler, but it's just too small for my liking. I want something a little bit more aggressive. And then this roof spoiler here too. I don't know, I've never seen a roof spoiler on a 5 Series, but I'll take it. But yeah, man, I'm gonna see if I set my phone up, get some sound clips so y'all can hear this. Just got a resonator delete. And I should have a POV just driving around coming pretty soon, man, so y'all stay tuned.